English sentences for speaking practice. I said I have plans tomorrow. I said I have plans tomorrow. Sabi ko may lakad ako bukas. I said anything's fine. I said anything's fine. Sabi ko okay lang kahit ano. I said don't mess with that. I said don't mess with that. Sabi ko wag mong pakialaman yan. I said turn it up. I said turn it up. Sabi ko lakasan mo. I said I'm not going. I said I'm not going. Sabi ko hindi ako pupunta. I said don't break it. I said don't break it. Sabi ko wag mong sisirain. I said you got this. I said you got this. Sabi ko kaya mo yan. I said I'll be home early. I said I'll be home early. Sabi ko maaga akong uuwi. I said come with us. I said come with us. Sabi ko sumama ka sa amin. I said don't think about it anymore. I said don't think about it anymore. Sabi ko wag mo nang isipin yun. I said I don't care. I said I don't care. Sabi ko wala akong pakialam. I said this would be the last time. I said this would be the last time. Sabi ko huling beses na to. I said take your time. I said take your time. Sabi ko wag kang magmadali. I said let's come back for it tomorrow. I said let's come back for it tomorrow. Sabi ko, balikan na lang natin bukas. I said, buy one from me. I said, buy one from me. Sabi ko, bilan mo ako ng isa. I said, I've been waiting for a while. I said, I've been waiting for a while. Sabi ko, matagal na akong naghihintay. I said, take off the lid. I said, take off the lid. Sabi ko, alisin mo yung takip. I said, don't bother me. I said, don't bother me. Sabi ko, wag mo kong istorbohin. I said, I'm not in the mood. I said, I'm not in the mood. Sabi ko, wala ako sa mood. I said, let's do it later. I said, let's do it later. Sabi ko, mamaya na lang. I said, let's just order food. I said, let's just order food. Sabi ko, mag-order na lang tayo. I said I wasn't sure. I said I wasn't sure. Sabi ko, hindi ako sigurado. I said, just a moment. I said, just a moment. Sabi ko, saglit lang. I said, I'm done. I said, I'm done. Sabi ko, tapos na ako. Or, sabi ko, ayoko na. I said, let's talk later. I said, let's talk later. Sabi ko, mag-usap tayo mamaya. I said, be quiet. I said, be quiet. Sabi ko, wag kang maingay. I said, wait for me. I said, wait for me. Sabi ko, hintayin mo ako. I said, I'm tired. I said, I'm tired. Sabi ko, pagod na ako. I said, let's go out. I said, let's go out. Sabi ko, labas tayo. I said, the food is good. I said, the food is good. Sabi ko, masarap yung pagkain. I said, let's watch a movie. I said, let's watch a movie. Sabi ko, manood tayo ng sine. I said, just a little more patience. I said, just a little more patience. Sabi ko, konting tiis na lang. I said, check it first. I said, check it first. Sabi ko, i-check mo muna. I said, drink some water. I said, drink some water. Sabi ko, uminom ka ng tubig. I said, we're almost there. I said, we're almost there. Sabi ko, malapit na tayo. I said, hurry up. I said, hurry up. Sabi ko, bilisan mo. I said, just a second. I said, just a second. Sabi ko, sandali lang. I said, let him know. I said, let him know. Sabi ko, sabihin mo sa kanya. I said, stop it already. I said, stop it already. Sabi ko, tumigil ka na. I said, I'm not interested. I said, I'm not interested. Sabi ko, hindi ako interesado. I said, just relax. I said, just relax. Sabi ko, relax ka lang. I said, let's go. I said, let's go. Sabi ko, tara na.